Sanibonani ngiphethe isiphalaphala sentombi Machita niyazi very beautiful usisi Ivory Skepe niyabazi abantu Machita ePantsula niyawazi sisi I hate ukuthi wena niya koBulawayo eKasi Machita emagwegwe lapho Phumula Ntumbani bayeza bo my sister sisi niyeza mthwani yeZimbabwe what's going on.
Okay, balandeli be by 4 balandeli be disco balandeli be splash music. Of course by 4 iyeza eBulawayo. But so besiqala kuphi soqala eGwanda on the 26th. Siqala eGwanda ngoma on the 26 lapho so besikhona sonke nestable seDalom. It's by 4 and Dalom siqala eGwanda on the 26th and then on the 27th the City Hall Bulawayo
like City Hall zobe siphiki kahle kuthiwa le yabo Bulawayo you will be celebrating ne.
Yes.
What are you celebrating? What are you going to be celebrating ngoBulawayo?
Mina ngisayid lami ngizothatha
mina ngibonile post that you will be celebrating. Okay.
Mina ngisayid lami.
Yeah.
We are celebrating unit iqala ku unit yethu.
Okay. Unit
as a disco musicians.
Okay.
Unit yethu especially for me and Sylvia Chanda. Siqala celebrate yona the unit.
We are celebrating unity ka Sylvia Chanda no Ivory
Skepe and the
number one celebration number one
and the package and then sizo celebrate the boss umdala since kubaba wethu grandfather actually grandfather wethu umdala owaqala this thing bonke nabo Penwell Kunene nabo Patricia Majalisa and Joseph Chimange ne. So I think makuthiwa celebration of Den Chanda it means wonke umuntu phela ubaba nengane zakhe nabo fowabo let's say
that's why bengalistwanga one.
Yes ngeke sikhona ukulista everybody like seriously ban but ngoba ke manje thina siyazi ukuthi ubaba unabafowabo let's say Mr Chanda brother wakhe is Penwell Kunene is Joseph Chimangi sister wakhe is
separate them especially thina bakoBulawayo esikhule ngezingoma zabo Splash Machikos what siyawazi these people are one.
Thank you very much. So and bo Patricia Majalisa and bo the late Patronela Rampo, bo Tabile Mazolwana Upikoko, bo Mpendulo Dandile Upikoko, bo Bongile what's eating for Senemka Bongile? Sorry Bongile stress which is yeah something like that. Celebrate Bongile abantu abangasekho but it's Den Chanda and Penwell because of we cannot separate those brothers. They were brothers whether we like it or not. They were brothers, you understand. So
lapha mina ngibona phela poster you're saying you'll be celebrating the life of Den Chanda. You didn't mention a poster in which you are celebrating the life of because mina ngokwazi kwami actually nami ngibona kwami Den no Penwell hamba bonke. You can't separate.
Okay. Wait for Okay, I want to talk about the poster because I'm not the one who owns the poster. I understand.
That's true.
Mina, I'm hired there to go and perform. Okay, it's the celebration of Den Chanda, but I don't want to dwell on that one.
Yeah.
But what I would say, Mina, I think it's a celebration yabo bonke. As Ivory Skepe and by 4 babies basebenza together and Sylvia Chanda, you understand? And to celebrate Den Chanda it's not a scene because of I said umkhulu wethu.
Yeah.
Umkhulu wethu makuba umkhulu wethu abe no brother wakhe uPenwell Kunene ne. Abe no sister wakhe uPatricia Majalisa ne. And then bazale labantwana. Uyayizwisisa okuyithi labantwana abo by 4 abo Dalom kids. You understand, and then abo Peacock, abo Mpendulo, you understand. So mina for Eastside Glam, I think it's one under umbrella.
Yeah.
So specific pume ikamale lega Mr. Den Chanda as uye umuntu obe phambili as a leader.
Yeah,
like for instance, let's say ANC and Ramaphosa. Let's say ANC, but Ramaphosa is president. Understand? So each and every time abantu bazothi President Ramaphosa ANC, understand? Can't ANC Ramaphosa and ANC they one. You cannot separate Ramaphosa and ANC.
Yeah, that's
so like Mr. Den Chanda ngimthatha as uRamaphosa i-president
it's stable
ngesibalekele le because usebenze nabafowabo we understand we cannot run away from that so that's why celebration is Denchanda
official but abantu abakobulawayo what do you promise them yini into okufuneka bayilindele and I understand ukuthiwa is your first performance ozokuseyenza kobulawayo
iyo Chineke
zophendula what are you promising
yazini bantwana bakamzilikazi bantwana bakankomo bantwana bayithi sinte one yazi ngihlala ngisho lonto le angazi nizoba umle inyawo kaIvory lo sala vele eBulawayo I'm so thirsty for these shows angikaze ngaba thirsty for a country like Zimbabwe I want to be honest jokes aside I've been like you know ngiyoze ngiye nini eZimbabwe by 4 cause we know that siyathanda eZimbabwe guys
banithanda
ngeke sibalekele yabo ngeke iZimbabwe yithi thina siyiZimbabwe all of us stable it can be asithi nje into ethi splash ethi disco what I like ama fans awayihluli ukuthi inani that's why babies are younger this what
it try splash
yeah understand splash you type by for but splash splash so ngizozama ukuthi makule stable less makuyi asithi splash city Patricia Majalisa city Machikos city Dalom Kids city by 4 guys ngabe umndandi after kuzele bonke labantu laba kwazozalwa thina sazalwa iDalom Kids and Machikos saba first born actually si first born yabazukulu baka Ndibiseni and Patricia Majalisa first born try wona Ntembiso and sabeza ke manje abanye abo Phikwe Kothabile Maselwane nabo bani kodwa first born yi by 4 that's why ingakhohlwa kali by 4 ngibona ukhokhwa by 4
so large city hall yabe lini mhlaka bani konje 27 then eGwanda it's before
eGwanda is before 26 Gwanda is before 26 of July
nakhona eGwanda is stable sonke kobulawayo is stable
sonke and eGwanda umunye promoter osilethile actually it's not even a promoter it's someone just nje othanda this kind of music ubethanda too much the boss then trying and Penel Kunen uyasho akayifihla athi bengithanda the boss and Penel Kunen bekabathanda like nobody's business so yena wabona ukuthi iunity maybe actually actually ngiyakubonga ngeke ngikubize ngegama but you are the one
okhona siyawazi kodwa ngeke sikubize
ngegama because iunit yabo because iunit kuthi sonke maybe bese ibizokwenzeka vele but basihlanganisa abantu abafana nawe ba so scarce because abantu ba divide
because abantu all around basebenazi nina nje ukuthi nihlukene kodwa masiza ukuthiwa niyabeni kokubulawayo lihlangene ubulawayo unithanda lihlangene
sibonga kakhulu especially the guy osibize eGwanda if it wasn't for you maybe bezoba sikahlangana namanje siyakubonga kakhulu khombisile ukuthi uyayithanda iunit not not section ukuthi iunit like
ukuthi usithanda sihlangene
Mr Interviewer let me tell you this to you bakhona abantu abathanda isplash sihlangene but abakhona ukuyenza this thing
that's true
so manje kufanele nginikeze lo muntu itrophy lo yenzile this thing until nabanye ke basebelandele understand and eyase eBulawayo City Hall ngizobonga uSylvia Chanda because she's the one who approaching but there's a guy from London lo base island ufuna bazo bane show eBulawayo City Hall so yena uSylvia wasecabanga ukuthi ngoba sihamba ne by 4 we can't leave by 4 behind or bazobe besibhekelele thina when we sing we understand but Ivory nayi ithuba so kune show uthini ngathi na okay sabe sesikhulumisana ke yonke into yakasharp naye ngamiyekeli ngimbonge because of ukhona asifake asifake kule yase eBulawayo guys as mawukhuluma iqiniso lokuhle kwendawo I'm always ngiyathanda iqiniso I will die for the truth guys whether yababa or really sweet kodwa kusala iqiniso
wena futhi uthanda lele baba senithanda kakhulu kobulawayo bakithi uyeza my sister kuyobe kumnandi bakithi into esijabulisayo utaste first time bakithi first time
yebo so besibonana khona
ingaphi passport yabotshwa mawungena passport iku passport sesicalela
yabotshwa ngifuna ukukhuluma
ikuphi ipass
angina passport ngiyazi uzongena
yasazi isindebele
ngiyazi ukuthi ngizongena
yini lokho ngesindebele
indololwane
sanithanda kakhulu bakithi kuyobe kumnandi eGwanda Large City Hall istable sonke splash
kuyobe kuphilika la kuyobe kuphilika
Phihli Phohlo
kuyobe kuphilika lapha singabaculi guys we sing
niyajiva
wabona sigugu esinje gugu othandayo asigugu ama-musician awagugi sanithanda Bulawayo thank you very much ngeshow yaseGwanda Mr. Organized
Mr. Anonymous
and then thank you very much ngeBulawayo Sylvia Chanda and ngiyamkhohlwa igama lomunye lo ubani hayi ngikhohlile
promoter
ngiyabakhohlwa igama
promoter siyabonga
hayi wena ubonga